Hey guys, Soon here with another episode of Off My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing palace item. I have a lot of items backed up. Hopefully I'll be able to pump out some video back to back. This palace item was week 9 palace winter 20 drop. That's about a month ago now. It dropped around end of November. Kind of show you how much I was slacking in terms of making a video, editing, and uploading. So that said, I did get one item. This drop had many different things with the hoodies and everything. The Palace matte multicolor hoodie, but I wasn't sure how to rock the multicolor, nor did I knew how to kind of set up the triangular rug as like an interior decor. So I decided to pass up on that. But I did want to get something small, very small item that dropped. It's the Palace Bauble. It's like a decorative piece for Christmas tree. So for this year, I wanted to kind of hang it up and kind of keep it for ongoing Christmas. So I decided to get one out of, I believe, 5 different ones they dropped. So I'll go ahead and unwrap this and show you guys what I got. Now, package came in this little bag. I'll be honest, I actually did get 2 items. One of the items I kind of had to snuck in here and grab it out. It was the Palace Trifer logo beanie, but I copped that for a friend of mine, and I was slacking in terms of filming and editing, so I decided to kind of go in here, take that out, unbox this. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'll take a knife out here. So inside we have the return and shipping labels and whatnot, which is garbage, and we have a white Trifer logo, so nothing special on this. I'll just keep this. But this came in Palace box like this. It feels like wooden box and has a covering like this. The Palace logo in the front and Trifer on the back, and it does has a writing that says warning, keep glass ornament dry. And again, this came in a wooden box like this, kind of dusty, but I'll wipe it off. And if you look at it, it looks like this box slides open from the top and has a lot of the paper wrapping. I guess this is a glass ornament. I wasn't sure what it was material wise, but let's go ahead and look at it. And again, there was many different baubles. There was one with the Palace Trifer logo. There was one with padding. There was one with Palace padding. I'll just kind of show a picture around here. But the one I decided to go with is the Palace logo with a kind of like a shopping bag, I believe this was. So it's supposed to be a shopping bag with the Palace logo. The logo kind of looked like sticker or something. I hope it's not, but I'm not. Well, I actually kind of scratched it already trying to peel it away, so I'm not going to mess around with that. But I'm excited to hang this up on the Christmas tree. I'll go ahead and give you guys a closer look. Again, there's really not too much to this. This costed about, I believe, 48 bucks or something. Not a cheap ornament, but there's definitely much more expensive ornament out there. So kind of excited to put this up, hang this up on my Christmas tree. I'll give you guys a closer look and also show you guys the Christmas tree, and we'll wrap it up.